Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I'm a little bit of a perfectionist. So this Chandler tool heat gun makes it so easy now for me to fix any little mistake that I run into when I'm doing crafts. Now the main craft that I use this for the most are with my candles. Now it doesn't matter how high of a quality of wax you're using, imperfections on the top of the candle are inevitable. But when you want things to look beautiful, especially when you work so hard to maybe make a gift or an item to sell, it is really important to the person that you're giving it to, and also the person who takes pride in the item that they just made. The heat gun is such a really good option. So I really like this one, not only because it has a very small nozzle, it's easy for me to get in specific areas. It's also very small and compact. It's easy to just put in a little tiny drawer. If you are into crafts and you really want your finished product to look the best that it can, this is a really nice option. It's super easy to store. It's such a high quality item. I use it all the time, and I'm sure you will be able to find many uses for it. So I am very happy with this, and I think you will be too. But that's my point of view.